Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to Mrs. English channel. Today we'll learn English in a fun and simple way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to master 30 daily English sentences you must use every day. Imagine walking into a room. Maybe it's a coffee shop, an office, or a party, and knowing exactly what to say, instantly. No pausing, no translating in your head, and no awkward silence. What if I told you that you don't need to memorize a whole dictionary to sound fluent? The secret lies in mastering fixed phrases. These are sentences that native speakers use on loop hundreds of times a day.
That sounds like exactly what I need, Anna. I often find myself getting stuck. I know the vocabulary words, but when I try to put them together into a sentence during a fast conversation, I freeze up, or I say something that sounds, well, a bit like a textbook.
Exactly, Sam. That is the most common struggle. Many learners try to build sentences word by word like they are building a house with bricks, but native speakers speak in chunks. Today, we are going to learn 30 of these magic chunks. These are sentences you can pull out of your pocket in almost any situation. We aren't just going to list them. We are going to explore the feelings behind them, the pronunciation secrets, and exactly when to use them.
I am ready. I have my notebook out. Let's dive in.
Great. We have broken these 30 sentences down into 5 categories to make them easier to remember. Let's start with category 1, greetings and starting conversations.
Okay, usually I just say, hello, how are you? Is that wrong?
It's not wrong, Sam, but it can sound a little bit formal or repetitive. To sound more natural, here is sentence number 1. How's it going?
How's it going?
Yes, note the pronunciation. We don't say, how is it going? We blend it. Listen closely. How's it going? The S sound connects to the I.
How's it going? How's it going?
Perfect. This implies, how is your life? Or how is your day? It's friendly and casual. Now, imagine you haven't seen a friend in a long time. You shouldn't just say, I haven't seen you. Try sentence number 2. Long time no see.
I love this one. It's grammatically strange though, isn't it? Long time no see. There is no verb.
You are right, Sam. It is actually a phrase borrowed from broken English or pidgin English a long time ago, but now it is standard casual English. It conveys excitement. Hey, Sam, long time no see.
Long time no see, Anna. That feels very natural. Okay, what if I want to ask about someone's recent activities?
That brings us to sentence number 3. What have you been up to?
Oh, that is a tongue twister. What have you been up to?
It is tricky because of the grammar, present perfect continuous. But don't worry about the grammar rules right now. Just memorize the sound. It means, what did you do recently? When we speak fast, what have you sounds like whatcha. Listen, what you been up to?
What you been up to?
Exactly. Now, let's try a role play. I see you at the supermarket. Hey, Sam, long time no see.
Hi, Anna. Good to see you.
So, what have you been up to?
Not much, just working. How about you?
Perfect flow. That leads us to sentence number 4. If your life is boring or routine, you use this phrase, same old, same old.
Same old, same old?
Yes, it means the same old thing. Nothing has changed. It's a very common, relaxed way to answer, what have you been up to?
Okay, what if I am in a rush? I see you, but I cannot talk.
Then you need sentence number 5. I'm running a bit late.
I am running a bit late. Does this mean literally running?
No, good question. It just means I'm behind schedule. You can say, sorry, I can't talk, I'm running a bit late.
Got it. And to close that short interaction?
Sentence number 6. Catch you later. This is much cooler than goodbye. It means I will see you later.
Catch you later. Okay, let's review category 1 quickly. 1, how's it going? 2, long time no see. 3, what have you been up to? 4, same old, same old. 5, I'm running a bit late. 6, catch you later.
Excellent. Now let's move to category 2, expressing needs and opinions. This is where many students sound too direct or rude without meaning to.
I have been told I sound too direct. For example, if I am hungry, I say, I want pizza.
I want is very strong, like a demand. To sound like a native, use sentence number 7. I feel like, followed by a noun or an ing verb. So, I feel like having pizza.
I feel like having pizza. That sounds much softer. Can I say, I feel like a coffee?
Yes, it implies a mood or a craving, not a demand. Now, imagine someone asks you a question and you don't have a strong preference. You might say, I don't care.
Is I don't care rude?
It can be very rude. It sounds like you have no interest in the other person. Instead, use sentence number 8. It doesn't matter to me.
Ah, it doesn't matter to me. That sounds peaceful.
Or, if you want to be even friendlier, use sentence number 9. I'm easy.
I am easy? That sounds funny.
I know, but in this context, it means I am easy to please. It means you are flexible.
Do you want Italian or Chinese food?
I'm easy. You choose.
Okay, I will use that. I'm easy. Now, what if I don't know the answer to something? Usually I say, I don't know.
I don't know is fine, but it stops the conversation. Sentence number 10 is better. I have no idea. Or to be even more native, I haven't got a clue.
I haven't got a clue. That emphasizes that you really don't know.
Correct. Now let's talk about agreeing. If I say something and you agree 100%, you can use sentence number 11, I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more. This is a negative sentence structure, but a positive meaning.
Yes, it means it is impossible for me to agree more than I already do. It is the strongest form of agreement. English is the most useful skill to learn.
I couldn't agree more, Anna.
Perfect. But what if you disagree? You shouldn't say, you are wrong. That is aggressive. Use sentence number 12, I'm not so sure about that.
I'm not so sure about that. It's a polite disagreement.
Exactly. It softens the blow. Let's do a quick practice. I will make a statement, you react. I think we should skip lunch today.
I'm not so sure about that. I feel like having a burger.
Do you want cheese or plain?
I'm easy. It doesn't matter to me.
Is this restaurant open on Sundays?
I haven't got a clue.
Brilliant work, Sam. You are sounding more natural already.
Thanks, Anna. I feel more confident using these phrases. What is the next category?
Category 3 is extremely important. Making plans and invitations. This is how you make friends and socialize.
I struggle here. I usually ask, do you have time?
A better, more common way is sentence number 13. Are you free later?
Are you free later? Simple.
Yes. Or be specific. Are you free on Friday? Now, if you want to invite someone to do something, don't say, do you want to come? Try sentence number 14. Do you want to come along? Or simply, want to join?
Wanna join? That is very short.
It is. Wanna is the spoken form of want to. We are going to the cinema. Want to join?
Okay. Now, suppose I accept the invitation. I say, yes, thank you.
That is polite, but let's spice it up. Sentence number 15. That sounds like a plan.
That sounds like a plan. It means I agree to the arrangement?
Yes, it confirms the details. Now, sometimes you cannot answer immediately. Maybe you need to check your schedule. You need sentence number 16. I'll let you know.
I'll let you know. This is very useful. I use this when I need time to think.
Exactly. It promises a future answer. Now, let's say you want to suggest an idea, but you aren't sure if the other person will like it. Use sentence number 17. How about we...
How about we go to the park?
Yes. Or how about we get coffee? It's a gentle suggestion. And finally, for this category, if you need to reschedule or cancel politely, use sentence number 18. Can we take a rain check?
A rain check? Like checking the weather?
It's an idiom from baseball. If a game was canceled because of rain, spectators got a ticket for a later game. A rain check. Now it just means, can we do this another time?
That is a great idiom. Sorry, Anna, I'm busy. Can we take a rain check?
Perfect usage. Let's recap category 3. 13, are you free later? 14, want to join? 15, that sounds like a plan. 16, I'll let you know. 17, how about we? 18, can we take a rain check?
Moving right along. What is category 4?
Category 4 is about showing interest and active listening. Sam, when someone is telling you a story, you can't just sit there silently.
I know. Sometimes I just nod my head, but I want to say something to show I am listening.
Exactly. In English, we use fillers or reaction phrases. Sentence number 19 is the most versatile. That sounds followed by an adjective. That sounds great. That sounds terrible. That sounds fun.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, it shows empathy. If I say, my car broke down, you say?
That sounds stressful.
Perfect. Sentence number 22 is for when you understand the logic of what someone is saying. I see what you mean.
I see what you mean. Does this mean I agree?
Not necessarily. It just means I understand your point. It validates the speaker. Now, if you are surprised by news, use sentence number 21. No way.
No way. Like it is impossible?
It is slang for I can't believe it, or really, Sam, I won the lottery yesterday.
No way.
Exactly. It brings energy to the conversation. Sentence number 22 is for when you want the person to keep talking. You say, tell me more.
Tell me more. It makes the other person feel important.
Yes. Now, sometimes you miss what someone said. Don't just say what. That's rude. Use sentence number 23. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Like catching a ball?
Metaphorically, yes, you didn't catch the words with your ears. And finally, sentence number 24 is a very nice way to thank someone for their effort. I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it. Is that better than thanks?
It is deeper and more sincere. Thanks is automatic. I really appreciate it connects with the heart.
Let's role play this active listening. Tell me a story, Anna.
Okay, so yesterday I went to the new art gallery downtown.
That sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Well, the tickets were expensive, but when I got in, I realized I lost my wallet.
No way. That sounds stressful.
Luckily, a stranger found it and gave it back to me.
I see what you mean. There are good people out there.
Sam, that was fantastic. You sounded completely fluent. You reacted to every emotion I had.
It felt good. It feels like a real conversation, not an interview.
That is the goal. We are down to our final category. Category 5, ending conversations and politeness.
Ending a conversation can be awkward. I never know how to walk away without being rude.
It's all about the transition. You can't just say bye, you need a pre-closing. Sentence number 25 is, I'd better get going.
I'd better get going.
This implies I should leave now because I have things to do, but it's soft. It signals the end. Sentence number 26 is similar but more casual. I gotta head out.
I gotta head out. Gotta is got to, right?
Yes, I've got to head out. Very American, very natural. Now, if someone has helped you or hosted you, use sentence number 28. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for having me. I use this at dinner parties?
Yes, or even if you just visited someone's office or appeared on a show. Sentence number 28 is a polite way to apologize if you made a small mistake or bumped into someone. My bad.
My bad. Is that slang?
It is casual slang, yes. Use it with friends or family. Don't use it with your boss. With your boss, say, my apologies. But with friends, oops, I spilled the water, my bad.
Got it. Casual only.
Sentence number 29 is a great wish for someone's health or safety. Take care.
Take care. I hear this a lot.
It's warm and caring. And finally, sentence number 30. This is the ultimate goodbye phrase that works anytime, anywhere. Have a good one.
Have a good one. A good what?
A good anything. A good day, a good night, a good weekend. It covers everything. It is the Swiss Army knife of goodbyes.
Have a good one. I like that. It saves me from thinking, is it morning or evening?
Exactly. Let's review the final 6. 25, I'd better get going. 26, I gotta head out. 27, thanks for having me. 28, my bad. 29, take care. 30, have a good one.
Wow, Anna, that is 30 sentences. I feel like I have a whole new toolkit.
You do, Sam. But before we finish, I want to give you and our listeners a master challenge.
A challenge? I am ready.
We are going to mix all the categories together into one big dialogue. I will start. Try to respond using the phrases we learned today.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey, Sam. Long time no see.
Hey, Anna. How's it going?
Same old, just busy with work. What have you been up to?
Actually, I started learning to play the guitar.
No way. That sounds fun. Tell me more.
It's hard, but I really appreciate the challenge. Anyway, I'm running a bit late for my lesson.
Oh, I see what you mean. Well, I won't keep you.
Thanks. I'd better get going. Catch you later.
Take care, Sam.
Have a good one.
Applause. Sam, that was flawless. Listeners, did you hear how smooth that was? He didn't sound like a robot. He sounded like a friend.
It really helps to think in phrases rather than words. I'd better get going is easier to remember than trying to construct I plus had plus better plus get plus going grammatically.
Precisely. Here is my final tip for everyone watching. Don't try to memorize all 30 at once. Pick 3 phrases from today's video. Just 3. Use them tomorrow. Say them to yourself in the mirror, say them to your pet, or type them in a chat. Once you own those 3, come back and pick 3 more.
That is great advice. Consistency is key. I am going to practice I'm easy and I haven't got a clue today.
Excellent choices. Remember, English is not just a subject to study. It is a tool to connect with people. These sentences are your bridges to better connections.
Thank you for breaking this down so clearly, Anna.
You are very welcome, Sam. And thank you to everyone listening. We hope you feel more confident and ready to speak up. Don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. English channel for daily tips and English practice. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.